All right, now this is Greg Braden. He's showing these ancient monasteries and the works they have in them. I'll show you that in a second. But this is, I believe this is right next to a heart. I can see something that might look like heart tissue, and these are the kind of striations that they have now. And then you see it breaks colors just right along the ventricle walls, and they usually have a 90-degree angle in them. And I've seen a number of these, and let me show you one, a pretty good size one, and you'll see this same. I don't think anybody carved that there. I think that's a natural feature. I'd like to know, but I think it's a huge natural feature, and here it is in a mud fossil heart. All right, you see that? That's the same sort of fabric when they get bigger. And this is, you see the brown blood and then the red blood. This is tissue. That's tissue wrapping around. And they have different blood. And it's basically the same as this right here, only this didn't separate out as much as that one, but it's very similar. All right, so here's a heart, and here's those. I believe this is virtually exactly where we're looking here, and running down, and then going up to this little divot up here. And then this, you see how gooey that was at one point? That's where all your aorta and all that stuff is at the top. You see how gummy and gooey this would be? They just sunk back in there, but that's where that would have been, right up there. All right, and that's just the way they are. And you can see the same structure, these stripes. Now, if it's wrong, it's wrong. If it's right, it's right. Now, I believe this heart was upside down, possibly, and the stripes are, well, let me rotate it. Hold on. Okay, like I'm saying, you see that structure? If they can say that that is just a natural structure, I'm going to call that thing a heart. And I would say that it was like laying in a certain way where this was laying over this way and this was lifted up higher, and they carved all their stuff in this type of tissue, because that right there, you can carve in that no problem at all. It still has muscular fibers, but not like some places.